I have just finished my website and I'm ready to start the ads, but before I need to add the legal page because I don't have any legal page for the moment, and it's mandatory no matter the country you want to sell on. It's mandatory everywhere. So you need to create legal page and I will show you how you can do that. So my advice is, if you have a lot of money or if you already have a lot of experience or a shop that is currently making money, uh, my advice is contact a lawyer and ask him to help you to generate the best legal page possible. Because in this video, I will show you how you can use AI to create and to build your legal page. But of course, that it's better to use the knowledge of an attorney, and everything will be much better. So what you can do is to go on ChatGPT and I will tell him, I do e-commerce, specifically dropshipping. I need you to help me generate legal pages. I need a legal notice, privacy policy, term and condition of sales, and refund policy. This is what is mandatory in France, in the US, and in the major part of country, okay? I also add that I sell in France, so I need my legal pages to comply with French law. So of course that depending to the country you want to sell on, you will adapt that and you will ask something else maybe, okay? Then I will give ChatGPT some information about my shop, about my store. So here is some information, name of the store. So I will put a name. So the name is Bambora. Store link, the store link, it's just the store link of your store. Then company name, so you give the real company name of your company, okay? Sometimes it is not the exact name of the website because maybe you just have a big company on which you have several websites, and that's not a problem, but just put the right one. Company address, I will put a random address. Okay. Company number, so the C-rate is the number in France, but maybe in the US it is something different. It's the identification number of the company, okay? So I will put a random one for the example. Company address mail. My mail will be contacts@bambora.fr. Delivery time between 6 and 9 days. So of course that you put your real delivery time because it will be written in the term of sale. Returns accepted within 30 days, so it's the minimum in France, so I will put the minimum. Store phone number, so I will put a random phone number for the moment, but my advice is, because it's mandatory, for example, in France, to give all the customer the possibility to call you. It's not mandatory to answer, but they have to, you must give them the possibility to call you, but you don't have to answer, okay? So for that, what I do is I create a number on an application called on-off. So depending to the country you're on, you will have maybe different possibilities. And it allows me to have a number I can just put on or put off whenever I want. And I will only use this number for my shops. So I won't be disturbed on this number, because this is just the number I know that if someone calls, the person comes from a store that I have created, okay? And then you will give some details of the product you sold. So I have already done something to save time. And then you ask ChatGPT. So I will have the mention legal. So here, because I told the ChatGPT that I will sell in France, he has done everything in French. But of course that if you are in the US, he will do it in English. Otherwise you can just ask him. Then you will go on the website, click on settings, then you will go on policies just here, and you will add everything. So we'll start by the legal notice. I will copy and paste everything. Same for the term of sales, copy and paste. Okay, perfect. Okay. Refund policy. And I missed something, I think. Yeah, this one, perfect. Okay, so I will remove the proposition of Shopify, then click on save. And then I will go on contents, menu, and I will edit the footer menu to add everything, all the page I've just created. So I can select them just here, legal notice. Then I will add privacy policy, refund policy, and time of sales. And I can also add a contact page that has been created by default when you create a Shopify store. Then I click on save, and if I go back here and read the page, I will have my legal page that will be added automatically. Okay, so it's very, very easy. My advice is do that because it's mandatory. If you want to launch ads, you must have legal page on your website, and if you have some money or if the store is going well, invest in real legal page made by a lawyer, because of course that everything will be better.